Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how to do this. And well, it's a terrible picture, but you can see the same rainbow of colors. So it's not necessarily this whatever OOF stands for. And the first person that replied to the reply on Facebook said you could use the blend tool. And I said, well, with colors, maybe not. So if you didn't watch the first one, and to tell you what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this outline a little thicker. We'll make it 4 points on this one, even though you can't really see that right now. Make that 4 points. And you can use the blend tool. And it's pretty cool because you can see what it's doing. And we only need like 5 copies because we've already got 2. And we need a few more, or we need to get them closer together. So let's go 7 copies. That looks pretty good. Now, and you could have had this in any configuration. You know, you could have had them further apart or closer together. And let's do 6 this time. That looks pretty good. And then select it all and go to arrange and break the blend apart. And that's why I didn't really think about the blend wasn't going to work. But now we need to go to range and ungroup. And now each one of these is separate, and we can change the colors to whatever we want. And the blend tool kind of did work. It just a little bit roundabout, but it does work. And you could pick a lot of different colors. And then do the same thing we did earlier. Just make a boundary. Let's see what our nudge disk. Our nudge disk is still at 5. Make a boundary, nudge it out of the way. Open up the contour docker. Contour the outside one time. Control K to break that apart. Grab the outside and then make it at 4 points and make it in black, because I'm guessing they're going to print these. But there's that same effect. And then there's either other things you could do. You could a cool effect, because later engravers don't ever get to use colors. Well, what if you outline the whole thing in purple? Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.